Question number 16. A person who leaves his own country in order to go and live in another. Etu kobo immigrant. Question number 17. Showing a dislike of anything improper. Etu kobo strict. Question number 18. A planned route or journey. Etu kobo itinerary. Question number 19. A man who helps a stranger or a person in difficult situation. Etu kobo a Samaritan. Question number 20. Speech of great improper and gravity. Etu kobo momentous. Question number 21. Continuing for a long period of time without interruption. Etu kobo perpetual. Question number 22. Specially skilled in storytelling. Etu kobo a raconteur. Question number 23. Medical study of skin and diseases. Etu kobo dermatology. Question number 24. A process involving too much official formality. Etu kobo red tapeism. Question number 25. A person who enters without any invitation. Etu kobo intruder. Question number 26. Yata fill in the blanks ase pasta. Surprisingly, cost was regarded as important factor in choosing a new cell phone by the three teenagers. Etu hobo answer A. Surprisingly, cost was regarded as the least important factor in choosing a new cell phone by the three teenagers. Question number 27. Maine's coastline is a major attraction and a vista of sandy beaches contrasted with rock-bound shoreline. So, etu hobo answer B. Maine's coastline is a major attraction and a vista of sandy beaches contrasted by the rugged rock-bound shoreline. Question number 28. Ranjit knows that he had better dash his algebra skills before the midterm exam. Etu midterm hobo lage. Okay, etu midterm hobo lage. So question number 28 or answer to hobo brush upon. Ranjit knows that he had better brush upon his algebra skill before the midterm exam. Question number 29. The pressure was intense after his team lost 5 basketball games in a row. So it answer hobo D number on the course. The pressure on the course was intense after his team lost 5 basketball games in a row. Question number 30. In dash, the term has begun to show some form again and has won some big games. So, etur answer hobo C number. The past few weeks. In the past few weeks, the term has begun to show some form again and has won some big games. So, ajiloke ei 15 ta asile question. Thank you.